Hello friends, in this video I will show you how to fix Minecraft no audio bug problem in Windows 11 or 10. So firstly search here sound settings, open sound settings in Windows 10 or 11. Now here click on more sound settings or sound control panel. Now here select. Now here guys select your default playback speaker, then properties, then here click on advanced, uncheck these both and enable auto enhancement, uncheck this one, and here special sound, so select Windows Sonic for headphones, then click on apply, then click on OK, again click on OK. Now close and restart your system. So hopefully this will fix and resolve Minecraft sound problem. Thanks for watching. Please comment this method work for you or not.